What is going on, guys? My name is Chocolate, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play some DS games on your computer. Now, first thing, I'm just going to show you guys what the actual program is and what it does. And let me just run up some Pokemon Black, and just to show you guys that it does work. It's just an emulator, so basically what they do is they take the program, get it onto the into a software format that's downloadable from the internet, and this emulator is able to read that and can actually play it for you. So let me actually load my game right there, and as you guys can see, I am playing some Pokemon Black. So let me actually just close out of this and show you how to do this. So first step, you're going to have to go to this website at muparadise.me. Link will be down in the description for that. And what you're going to go down to is emulators selection. Now there's a lot of different emulators here depending on what type of game platform that you wanted to play on. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be doing the good old Nintendo DS. So we'll open that up. You're going to select your platform. I am running currently on Windows, so I'm going to hit Windows. And what I did was I used this one, I believe. Most people like to go with the good old no cache GBA, but for some reason I was having problems with that. So actually you want to go with the most updated version of the DS emulator, which I believe it's going to be the, what's my version? I will let you guys know what my version actually is. 9.7 times 86. So yeah, you're going to want to get this one. 9.7 times 86. So just click on this link and you can hit the download. I've already downloaded it. It'll take you to another page, and what you're going to actually get is a WinRAR file, or like a zip file, and it'll probably show up on your desktop, something like that, after it's done. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a folder or whatever, and when you open it up, you're going to get a whole bunch of Java files and some text files. You're just going to extract them to your desktop. So I'm not going to do that because I already did that. And what it's going to come out to be is you're not going to have this folder, but it's all going to come out to all this except these four. These four generally come in as you start to play with the actual program itself. So what you should get is these when you extract the files. So in fact, you know what, I won't extract it actually, but you will get all of these when you extract the information from this zip file. If you don't have an unzipper or an extractor, go to WinRAR. All I did was go into Google and type in WinRAR. That's not WinRAR. And it should be the first link on Google, and you can download it from there. Again, this link will be down in the description, or you can just type in WinRAR into your Google browser or whatever. So after you have all this running, what you're going to do is you click on the application, and you should just get this blank screen. Alright, so it actually should be a little bit smaller. It'll probably be about this size when you open it. I just expanded it for the sake of me actually, God, it's going all over the place. Just for the sake that I like to play on a bigger screen. So let's actually talk about getting the games on your computer. So what you're going to do is go back to that MU Paradise website, and you're going to go to ROMs, ISOs, and games. We're going to go to handhelds, and we're going to go to Nintendo DS ROMs. Alright. So there's a couple of them here as your top downloads. These are all great games, and let's see, which one do I want. For the sake of this video, let's just go with the good old famous Metroid Prime. Alright, it's going to take you to here. No, I don't know what this took me to, but this is confusing. Alright, let's back out of that. We'll just do the good old Pokemon Black, because that's what I have. It'll give you all this cool information about the game, quick navigation, game descriptions, rate this game, screenshots, emulator recommendations, which is just you can vote. But what you want to do is go down to this fast download link and the direct download link. I highly suggest using the fast download link just because the direct download link does not work that great. So the fast download link, copy this into your web browser. And also you want to make sure that it says wherever you are located in the world, that it says USA or UK or something like that, wherever you're closest to, because that'll help the download speed. So you're going to enter that into the good old web browser. And you're going to come up with something like this. I just do free downloading. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your download speed. And you should get a file, something like this. You should get this pop up on your desktop or whatever. And if you open it up, you're going to get this one file. And you can just extract it and put it into a folder, and then you should get that file, which is right there. And I'm going to actually make a new folder and call this Pokemon Games, because I'm neat like that. And then I'm actually going to do a new folder, Black, so everything is all organized. And that is basically it, guys. All you have to do now is go into the emulator, go to File, Open ROM, then you can go to where that ROM is located, click on the file, and let the magic happen. And there you go, guys. And that's basically all you have to do to get an emulator running on your computer. So, and play Nintendo DS games. Finally, I want to show you guys some stuff that you actually can. Let me get out of that so we don't have to listen to the music. To what other stuff you can actually do with this. So when you hit new game, you can hit, before you do anything, you're going to go to config and control config. And these are all your controls. Now do it whatever you like. I like using the WASD command when I'm walking, and I use the up, down, left, right buttons for the A, B, Y, and X. But you guys can do whatever you feel comfortable with. After you're done with that, you hit OK. You can go back to configs. There's a whole bunch of different controls that you can do. There's hotkeys, which I haven't even looked into. I don't use them. There's microphone settings, which you can use your own. You can connect it so that this can actually register your that you're talking. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff, but let's actually go into what's actually really cool about this. And you can actually record the screen. I don't like doing it because I have Camtasia. I'll just use Camtasia to record. I'll just I'll just take the outline of this game, and then I'll break it in and just record that actual screen. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. So if you're going to be playing Pokemon, all you have to do is when you start a new game, go to save state and save it as one of these, or you can save state as, and then it saves it into your states file folder, which will be created as soon as you go into that, and that's where this comes from. And all these pop up when you start up applications. So guys, if you have any questions about emulators, please leave it down in the description. If you guys have any other questions, again, leave it down in the description. If you guys like this video, there will be plenty more coming, a lot of helpful tutorials. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to actually get Camtasia. I'm going to do a tutorial all about Audacity and how to do live commentating. I'm going to do some tutorials on Game Booster. Game Booster is another great thing. So a lot of good tutorials coming your way, guys. So Hope you guys enjoyed. Get playing on your emulators so you guys don't have to hold your good old DSs anymore. And they're free. All these emulators are free. All the ROMs are free. It's great. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and make sure you guys stay sweet. Peace.